Hi, welcome back to See Me Dad. Today I am doing a RAM upgrade along with storage upgrade on a 16-inch HP laptop. Now, the last time I opened a laptop, I hate to admit it, but this was back when Windows 7 was hot. It was a brand new kid on the block. Also, thanks back then, they had the hard disk drives along with DDR2 memory, so that it's been some time since I opened one of these up, and I have to admit I was quite surprised when I opened this one, and when I was buying the parts, I had to buy DDR4 memory. And this laptop, while it's newer, it's not exactly brand new. I bought this one in 2020, but the storage was running quite full. Swapping out the RAM was quite easy. Plastic clips on the sides, they pop right out, and I slid the new units right back in. Just follow the pin pattern. The discs on this ones are PCIe, which was also something new to me. Really easy at the end of it all, but it's just something I wasn't necessarily familiar with since I haven't done this in so long. All in all, I spent less than $200 on these parts. I want to say it was closer to $160 for the two RAM sticks along with the PCIe storage. This is a 2 terabyte unit. My original OEM storage was only 500 gigs, so it filled up quite easy. So after I installed the hardware components, went ahead and gave the rig a quick cleaning with the compressed air, put things back on, and that was the end of it. All in all, this took me less than 15 minutes. I think it took me longer to take the cover off than anything else. Hope you enjoyed this video if you ever have to do an upgrade like this, and thanks for watching. See Me Dad.